What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about an app that makes watching TV way smoother and honestly, way less chaotic. We're diving into how to use iPhone as remote for Samsung TV, and the app doing all the heavy lifting is TVRem. Before we get to the cool stuff, do us a favor and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. You're definitely gonna love it here. TVRem is one of those apps you do not realize that you need until it saves your whole night. Remotes disappear faster than socks in the dryer. I have 3 different remotes for 3 different streaming devices and my actual TV. Go ahead and ask me where my Samsung remote is. Exactly, it's gone and it's never coming back. TVRem is a free Samsung TV remote app for iPhone, and it actually replaces your remote in a clean, simple way. You've got volume control, voice input, a touchpad, and a full keyboard. So searching for Stranger Things does not feel like typing on an old school phone from the early 2000s. Here's how to set it up. Open TVRem, tap continue, then you'll see a clean modern remote layout. To connect to your TV, tap the yellow button at the top and it says tap to connect. Allow access to your local network, wait a second, and your Samsung TV should appear. Select it, allow access on the TV if needed, and you're instantly connected using this Samsung remote app for iPhone. It also works with other TVs and streaming devices, which is pretty amazing if you have multiple TVs at home. No more who took the living room remote arguments. Just your iPhone doing everything. Launching apps is crazy fast too. The icons for Netflix and YouTube and Prime Video are right at the bottom. Tap one and your TV opens it up instantly. And of course you have all the basics. You can adjust volume, open settings, pause, play, all of that. The keyboard icon alone is a lifesaver when my daughter wants Miss Rachel on right now. If your TV has Alexa and Google Assistant, then voice input is there as well. Now let's talk about alternatives, because you might see another app called Remote for Samsung TV Plus. Listen, it works, but barely. The interface feels clunky, like it was designed in a rush. The ads pop up constantly and it only works for Samsung. That completely kills the convenience of having one app for everything. At that point, you might as well start digging through the couch cushions. So yeah, TVRem is easily the best Samsung TV remote control app I've ever tried. It honestly feels like the future of how we should be controlling our TVs. It works smoothly, has no ads, and just makes everything so simple. It's also one of the strongest options if you want a reliable Samsung Smart TV remote app that does more than the basic stuff and does it without stressing you out. Remotes are slowly becoming that old school thing we talk about when we're cleaning out the couch and wondering where half of our belongings went. Being able to switch channels, hop between apps, and get your shows going right from your phone is just too convenient to ignore. TVRem makes the whole TV experience cleaner and faster. Once you start using it, it's gonna feel weird going back to anything else, to be honest. If you have any questions though, drop them down below in the comments. And of course, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.